Welcome to Yo-Yo Kids Tube. Let's unlock your learning superpowers.
Hello kids! Today we will learn the names of different birds in English. Sparrow. This is a sparrow. It is a small and cute bird that sings sweetly. Pigeon. This is a pigeon. It is gray in color and lives in cities. Parrot. This is a parrot. It is green and can talk like humans. Crow. This is a crow. It is black and very clever. Peacock. This is a peacock. It has big, colorful feathers and dances in the rain. Hen. This is a hen. It lives on farms and gives us eggs. Duck. This is a duck. It swims in water and says quack quack. Owl. This is an owl. It wakes up at night and has big round eyes. Goose. This is a goose. It looks like a duck but is bigger. Woodpecker. This is a woodpecker. It makes holes in trees with its beak. Eagle. This is an eagle. It is a very strong bird and flies high in the sky. Kingfisher. This is a kingfisher. It is blue and catches fish from rivers. Swan. This is a swan. It is white, big, and swims gracefully in water. Turkey. This is a turkey. It is a farm bird with a red neck. Flamingo. This is a flamingo. It is pink and stands on one leg. Canary. This is a canary. It is yellow and sings very beautifully. Seagull. This is a seagull. It lives near the sea and flies over the water. Penguin. This is a penguin. It is black and white and lives in the snow. Rooster. This is a rooster. It crows early in the morning, saying cock-a-doodle-doo. Hummingbird. This is a hummingbird. It is very tiny and drinks nectar from flowers.